Okay, these are easier than you think. It says video store rents DVDs for $4 each. You notice that they are using D as the variable for DVDs. And video games, G for games, for $3 each. Write an equation in standard form for the number of DVDs, D, and the number of video games, G, that a customer could rent with $14. So if you multiply the number of DVDs you got by 4, you'll find the cost of them. So if you bought 3 DVDs, you say 4 times 3. So what you're going to do is you're going to say the number 4 times the number of DVDs. They're using the variable D. Okay, and you add to that $3 for each game, so 3 times the number of games you buy. And if you do that, the customer, they want to find out what you could rent and for DVDs and video games with $14. So that amount has to come to $14. So you got 4D plus 3G equals 14. And just notice that if they're telling you that DVD stands for D, then the value of each DVD, 4, has to be the coefficient. So you have to say 4 goes in front of D, not like A is with 3 in front of D, because 3 doesn't align with the cost of a game. That aligns with the cost of a DVD. Or 4 rather, sorry. So make sure that whatever coefficient you are using is the cost of that thing. DVD is 4, so you have to have a 4 in front of D. Games 3, so you have to have 3 in front of G. That's it. And where do we see that answer? We see that answer as C. Okay, and we're going to do it again. We say grocery store sells dates for $5 a pound. They're using dates D. So let's say since it's $5 a pound, you say 5 times D, the number of dates, plus pomegranates, $4 a pound, and they're using P for pomegranates. So since pomegranates are $4 a pound, we multiply the number of pomegranates by 4. And then how many could a customer buy with $20? Well, you're going to set it equal to $20. And that's your answer there. So 5D plus 4P equals 20. That's A.